Good morning friends, myself Sushila t.g.t.science kendriya vidyalaya, and here we are performing some experiments in which we are testing the presence of fluoride in water. As we know that fluoride is very dangerous for health, so its presence should be detected and it should be treated well so to avoid future problems. And now my students will perform some experiments to detect the presence of fluoride in water, and here it is.
This experiment deals with the presence of fluoride in water, as the main focus is on groundwater. First of all, I want to tell you the difference between the surface water and groundwater.
Surface water is what we see in the rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. That means in a very simple language, surface water is what we see on the earth's surface. Second topic is groundwater. Groundwater is what we found in aquifers, that means below the earth's surface, and its main sources are borewell, well, hand pump, etc.
By a survey, it comes to be noticed that in India, groundwater contains large amount of fluoride. But how can it possible that fluoride reaches to the groundwater?
When water seeps into the ground, it dissolves many substances in it, which depends on the soil and the rocks through which it flows. Fluoride compounds are one of those substances and hence dissolves with water. But I have a confusion. Is fluoride beneficial?
Low levels of fluoride in drinking water, that is 0.5 to 1 mg per liter, protect against the dental caries. But high levels of fluoride cause diseases.
And the diseases are dental fluorosis, skeletal fluorosis, low IQ level in children, brain damage, etc. It means that fluoride will become a large problem if it will not be treated properly earlier. Is there any procedure to test the presence of fluoride in water?
To test the presence of fluoride in water, we are going to perform some experiment. This is a sample collected from New Adarsh Colony, Guna, Madhya Pradesh at 5:30 p.m. 24 January 2012.
First of all, wash the measuring cylinder, test tube and cork with the sample of water to be tested. Shake it to remove the residue.
Measure 4 ml of water sample with the help of this measuring cylinder.
Transfer this 4 ml of water into another test tube.
Put 15 drops of fluoride reagent in the test tube which contains the water sample. Cork the test tube and shake it well so that the reagent mixes uniformly. Then, oh wow, we will notice a change in the color of the water sample. Now, we will compare with the chart which is given to us. Now, it is observed that the water sample contains 1.5 mg per liter, which is a permissible range. In the same procedure, it is observed that the sample collected from the Shiv Colony, Guna, Madhya Pradesh has 5.0 mg per liter fluoride, and it is not a permissible range. It can be dangerous for our health.
By repeating the same procedure and using fluoride reagent, about 25 samples were tested and it was observed that NFL Township, Raghavgarh, Dorana,
Sisodia Colony, Railway Colony, Doordarshan Colony, Lushan Ka Bagicha, Kent are free from fluoride content in water.
But Nanakeri, Umri, Shiv Colony and Gopal Mandir are rich in fluoride. As we know, fluoride is very dangerous for health, so it should not be taken for granted. Thank you very much.